350-gram digestive biscuits crumbs, 100-gram salted melted butter. Stir until it resembles wet sand. Transfer the biscuit mixture into your choice of pan. Press evenly to cover pan completely and refrigerate for 30 minutes. 1 sachet of whipping powder. Cold milk 115 milliliters. Add a half teaspoon vanilla essence. Beat until soft peaks form and set aside. Spread the can of Dulce de Leche in the cool tart crust. Smooth it into an even layer and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Top the Dulce de Leche with the banana slices in an even layer. Top the whipped cream over the banana slices and spread to cover. Dust some cocoa powder on top. Cover the pie with grated dark chocolate and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Enjoy!